Ladies and gentlemen, this video is about holybibledaily.com, which is a pretty malicious website. I can tell that it's some virus or malware. However, what this website does is attempting to hijack your browser. Initially, the pop-up, the website describes its service as some extension that helps you get Bible quotes daily by installing the Holy Bible Daily extension. It says that by doing that, you may access Bible resources and guides from quick links. And there is another message saying that you also have some custom web search on your new tab. The problem is that this extension is also involved in hijacking your browser, in particular your default search engine. So once the extension is installed and activated, your default search engine is also changed to some third-party provider. Additionally, this website tries to force you into clicking on the Allow button to show its notifications. So we encourage you not to do that. Stay away from clicking on these Allow pop-ups. Now, if you have mistakenly added it into Google Chrome, there is a way to fix your browser. You need to do the following. Go to the browser menu, click on More Tools and select Extensions. Now, if you cannot access this area, it means that your browser is hijacked even more dramatically. Well, I'll try to explain it to you on the example of other version of Google Chrome. You go to the browser menu, More Tools and Extensions, and now if you find any suspicious extensions here, you may deactivate them and then remove them. But if you have problems like this, that you cannot access the extensions in your Google Chrome, it means that your browser is hijacked even more dramatically. So I suggest scanning your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. That's the antivirus specifically for Mac. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the application and install it through your Launchpad. The program looks like this. You need to click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed research and investigation of your Mac. So the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac has been ended, and now it's time to review the results. Check the antivirus area and click on the Review Results link. The report will display each thread and will also show its location. So you may click on this icon to show the location of the thread in Finder, and then you may right-click on each specific thread and decide to move it to the trash. So you may do it with each specific thread manually by right-clicking on the thread and moving it to the trash. Or you may do it automatically, however, only with the premium version of the program.